Pwede po i-consider itong aming Yuri single attached dito po sa may Edesha, Dasmariñas, with a minimum lot area of 96 square meter and a floor area of 63 square meter. Provision for 2 bedrooms with 2 toilet and baths. So living area niya, a dining area, so tamang-tama po yung sliding door katapat ng dining area. At yung kitchen area mo. Ito naman yung toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. So dito po, bago tayo umakyat, papansin po ninyo na meron pa siyang nilagay na mini office. So meron ka pang maliit na hallway dito, papunta sa toilet and bath. So punta naman tayo sa 2 bedrooms. Space ka pa dito for side table. So next po, ito naman yung kanyang master bedrooms. And ito naman yung access going to the balcony.